Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about this 360 lace wig that I got from Ashimaryhair company. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. This is the packaging that my wig came in. They sent me over a nude stocking cap, an edge brush, and a small razor, some little lashes, an edge band, and they also sent me this box with a necklace and some roses inside of it for Valentine's Day. So cute. Thank you, Ashimaryhair company. This wig is their 26-inch water wave 360 frontal wig. The lace on this wig is HD and it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut upon arrival. Also, instead of having combs in the back of the wig, you'll see it has these clear invisible straps, which will come in handy if you want to wear this wig up in a ponytail or in a bun, but you don't know how to glue the back down by yourself. All you have to do is install the wig and then pull the clear straps as tight as you want it to be, and it'll be secure on the back of your head. As you can see, it's tightened up. So let's go ahead and install the wig. But before we install it, I'm taking my Ebon Lace Tinting Spray in dark brown, and I'm just spraying that all over my lace. Just so it can match my chocolate skin. And then I'm also going to take that same lace tinting spray and just spray it all over my stocking cap. Easiest way to install your wig is to just take your elastic band on the back of the wig, put it on the back of your neck, and then just pull the wig on like normal. Adjust it in the front, make sure the lace is laying the way you want it to lay, and then you'll get to see the full effect of the wig. So this is right out of the box, guys. Like I said, I have not done anything to it, and as you can see, the lace is really nice on this wig. Like, they actually did a really good job. Just to start off, because the lace is a little long for my hairline, I'm just cutting around the ear tabs just to make sure that that lace fits perfectly around my ears. So guys, I'm just going to take my Ebon Lace Bonding Spray and just install this wig my normal method. This is a glueless unit, so you do not have to glue it down or spray it down if you don't want to. But me personally, I just prefer to do so with this wig. So now that the wig is completely tacked down, it is secure and it's not going anywhere, I'm just going to go ahead and put my edge band on and make sure that that lace really melts in. And as you can see, this is the natural texture of the hair, but I did go ahead and wet the hair off camera. I wet the hair completely so that you guys can see how it looks in its juicy curly state. Me personally, I kind of prefer the natural curl pattern better than this one, but both are cute. As you can see, I got water all over my robe, but the lace should be melted in now, so I went ahead and took my edge band off, and this is what the lace looks like so far. And again, guys, this is their water wave texture, their loose water wave texture, and I think this is really pretty. Like, I'm conflicted. I don't know if I like the natural curl pattern better or the wet, but this is like a really pretty wig. So y'all, when I wear curly hair, I do like to do baby hairs. Y'all know I have not been in my baby hair era lately, but I don't know, this wig just brought the baby hairs back out of me. So I am gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs with this wig. Just normal all around. I'm gonna do them kind of dramatic just because I do plan on wearing it up like a updo, so I think that the more dramatic baby hairs might look good. Just going ahead and cutting them first, and then I am going to use my Ebon Edge Control, my trusty Ebon Edge Control, and I'm just going to tack down my baby hairs with that. I don't know, y'all. I was feeling the no part look, but I also like this half up, half down look that I got going on right now. This wig is super versatile. So you can do multiple styles with this wig, but I am going to show you guys how to put it up in a bun and use those clear straps in just a few. So while my edge band is still on, I'm just going to make sure the front of my lace is nice and flat. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just pressing that lace back just a little bit, just so that it gives like a more natural feel. So since the hair is starting to dry and we want to keep that shine in the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and use some of my hair oil, and I'm going to add that all over the hair. So after I was done the baby hairs and everything, this is what the lace looks like. Like I said, this lace is HD. It blends really, really well. I love the way it came out. I am obsessed with this flip over method. Like, I'm not even putting a part in this wig. If you want to do like a side part or a middle part, you can definitely do that. But I really love how this wig looks with no part. I think it is giving like beach vibes or like bed hair, like you just wake up and go, but you still look presentable. Like, that's what it's giving. I really like it. So now let's get into these clear straps. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them as tight as I can because y'all know I have a small head. So I'm pulling them as tight as I can, and then I'm tucking them underneath of the lace in the back. Once the straps are pulled extremely tight, you can instantly feel how secure the back of the wig is. So right now you see me just like pulling some of the hairs from the back of the wig down, just so that once I put it in a bun, like it kind of camouflages that extra lace if there's any in the back. It'll just make it look a little bit more natural. As you can see, you could definitely wear this wig in a ponytail, half up, half down. You can wear it down, whatever you want. It's super versatile. But for the sake of this video and to show you guys the versatility, I just decided to do a bun. This is what the hair looks like in a bun. It looks really, really good, actually. I'm just going to go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see the back. This is what the back looks like, guys. No lie, the wig is so secure in the back. It literally feels like I have it glued down or tacked down some type of way. I could have definitely did a better job at tacking it down, but I do not plan on wearing it completely in a bun. I do plan on wearing it down. So I was just showing you guys how versatile it is, but I do plan on wearing this wig down. I like how it looks with the no part. I actually love how it looks with the no part. So guys, yes, this is the end of the video. This is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, all the details will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.